Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Miro to Claude in just a few simple steps. Click your account name in the bottom left corner to open the profile menu. The menu expands, showing your account options. Select Settings from the menu to open your account settings page. Click Connectors in the left sidebar. This is where you manage all your third-party connections. Click the Add button in the top right to see your connection options. Select Browse Connectors from the drop-down to open the full connector directory. The directory displays all available third-party integrations you can add. Click in the search bar and type Miro to filter the results. Search results appear showing the Miro connector card with its logo, description, and connection status. Click on the Miro result to open its detailed connection page. Click the Connect button to start linking your Miro account to Claude. Once you've connected Miro, you can start a new chat and ask Claude to summarize or analyze any board in your workspace. Just reference it by name in your prompt. If Claude can't see a specific board, check that your Miro account has access to it and that you've granted the right permissions during the connection process. You can disconnect Miro at any time by coming back to this Connectors page and clicking the Disconnect option next to it. And that's how to connect Miro to Claude. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.